Welcome to Carfax Shara. Here is the sign in or account creation screen. If you have a sign in of an existing account, you will enter your email and password here and then click sign in. If you do not have an account and you are new to our service, click here. Please fill out the details needed to create your account and verify through your email to give you access to your account. Now we will move on to the interface. Welcome to the interface. Here's where you can request a report. To give you an example, you can come to carmax.com, select a vehicle, select a make and mile, please copy VIN number, come back to the interface, please enter the VIN. Once you have entered the VIN, you can choose a language. Once you're ready to file for the report, please press send. You can now see that your report is in progress. Once your report is in progress, give it a few minutes and the document will become available. Once the document is available, press the download button. Here you can see your document. Then you can move on to purchasing a report. Here is where you can purchase reports. Once you decided how many you need, press pay now. Here you are at the purchase report screen where you can pay with PayPal or credit or debit card. We do not accept cards from Russia or Belarus. Also, all account details and reports will come to email as well. So you can both view the documents on your email or the website interface. VIN check and VIN decoder is in progress and will be available soon, along with crypto payments. So please be on the lookout. After you have used our service, please feel free to reach out with us with any recommendations or reviews on how we can better our service. If you have any other inquiries, please reach out as well.